name is Nadia Sabrati from Prestigious Brand Media. I'm an online marketer and I teach digital marketing. And today I have an awesome topic that I want to cover with you all today. And I know many of you, oh, what's going on here? I know many of you are actually to online marketing. And there are three things I want to cover with you all today because this is how you're going to get started, right? I know online marketing can be very complex if you don't know, exactly what you're doing. So today I'm going to give you three tips that you need to master to start building your online business. Okay, so let's get started. So number one, personal branding. What is personal branding? You are a brand whether you know it or not. Okay, people are going to join you because they know, like, and trust you. They're going to join you because of the value you're delivering. Okay, what are your values, right? Who do you stand for, right, guys? And most importantly, personal branding is about storytelling. It's about you telling your story. Here's the thing: when you tell your story, you're building trust with your audience. Yes, you're building that know, like, and trust with your audience. You're letting them know, hey, you know what? I'm just like you. I struggle just like you, but you know what? Life goes on, right? But guys, no, seriously, you are a brand, right? And personal branding is about you. So one thing you need to learn how to do is start telling your story. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you're going to be using your personal branding story for everything you do online. Yes, you're going to use your personal branding story. Let's say you have a website, right? You're going to need your personal branding story for your website. Let's say you have a funnel. You're going to need your personal branding story for your funnel. Let's say you have an ebook. Let's say you're creating courses, right? Who are you? What do you stand for? What do you do, right? This is what your audience wants to know. I'm sorry, guys. My throat allergies. Looks like spring is coming. We're gonna have spring a lot sooner, right? So yes, guys. So learn how to tell your personal branding story. Okay. Number two, content creation. I see a lot of people, trying to build a business online, but when you go to their profile, right, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok, they don't have any content. You have to create content on a daily basis for all the platform, but I highly recommend you start on one platform, and it's all the same concept, right? You create content, people who engage in your content, you connect with these people, you build that relationship, right, guys? And you also need to build a target audience, because here's the thing: if you're building an audience with no one, I mean, if you're building an audience with everyone, you're building an audience with no one. Not everyone is going to want what you have to offer, right? So, your audience, you have to build a target audience. Okay, guys? Now, let's talk about lead generation. Now, a lot of people, come online and they're just creating content, but they don't know how to generate leads. Okay? And here's the thing: if you're building a business online and you're not generating leads on a daily basis, guess what? Your business is going to struggle, right? You're not going to make money. So you need to build your list on a daily basis. Okay, guys? So today I am giving you a 50% coupon code to um to get my books from at Prestigious Brand Media. Okay, I created all these books. I have been marketing online for the past 5.5 years. All my results has been documented. I am also a course creator. I have also taught over uh, over 5,000 students from my courses. I've also done tons of boot camps and challenges. Um, I've taught a lot of people how to build a business online. Okay, guys, I've been doing this for 5.5 years. And actually, what got me into online marketing was like, I went to school for medicine and I couldn't get a job. I couldn't find a job, guys. I was in a situation 5.5 years ago, exactly what a lot of you guys are going through right now. Okay, and online marketing was my only chance. I applied to hundreds of jobs, well, thousands of jobs, online, offline, through cross country, and I couldn't find a job because no one wanted to hire me. I only had 1 year experience working as a medical case manager treating HIV patients, right? So this was an issue for me. I couldn't find a job, and one day I was on Facebook and I saw someone who was telling his story. Yes, he was telling his personal branding story, and his story resonated with mine. And out of pure desperation, guys, I contacted him 5.5 years ago. And since then, it's been an incredible journey. So this pandemic has not affected my business because I work online. but I know it's affecting billions of people worldwide. Okay. And another thing, according to the World Economic Forum, and you guys can research this yourself, in the World Economic Forum, it says, they said actually, 50% of employers will require their employees to go back to school to learn new skills. Okay. And the other 50% of employers will have no need for employees because these jobs will be automated. Yes, these jobs will be online. So social media managers are going to be in high demand. So I highly recommend, guys, you guys start learning. Okay. So I'm giving you 50% discount. If you're viewing this video from YouTube, click on the comment section. You'll get all the information, the links, exactly how to get these books. I recommend getting the Attractive Character Personal Branding Mastery, especially if you're a new marketer and you have no knowledge of online marketing. Get the Attractive Character Personal Branding Mastery, how to create a massive amount of content fast, and how to attract a limited amount of leads. Okay, guys? So let me know in the comments if you are a new marketer, because in this way, it's going to give me an idea of how I can serve you better and how I can help you to get results fast in your business. Okay, guys? So online marketing and digital marketing is now and it's our future. Because here's the thing, I was reading another article couple days ago, and employers is actually saying it's cheaper to have employees work at home, and they're actually going to be cutting their salary because it's cheaper to have them at home than have them at the office. Okay, so guys, I highly recommend you start learning online marketing. And if you need anything at all, send me a message. Send me a message, and I'm right here. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Okay, so listen, I love you guys. God bless you. And make sure you use the 50% discount code, so you're going to get a discount on all those books. But I recommend, if you're a new marketer, get the Attractive Character Personal Branding Mastery, how to create a massive amount of content fast and attract a limited amount of leads. If you're a brand new marketer, I recommend these books. Get these books. I'm giving you 50% discount on all the books that are on my site, that are on my bookstore. You get a 50% discount because I know these are things people need to learn. Okay, guys? So I love you. God bless you and have an amazing day. And also let me know in the comments if you are a new marketer. Okay? Talk to y'all later, everyone.